wouldn't do any wheelies because my back just got better, but I haven't rode in a long time. I got 2 new front tires, and I really want to just make sure that, you know, I still got it, you know what I mean? I just want to make sure I still got it, so. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? I hope you guys have been doing good. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I know I haven't been posting. What happened was when I lifted my bike up onto the stand, it's kind of embarrassing, but oh well. When I lifted my bike up onto the stand, I threw my back out. So I was couch ridden for a while there, but finally got the new tires on. We got the new chain. I'm going to find a nice little spot to pull over here, go over some of the new stuff. And then we're at 16,148 miles, so I guess it's time I do my 16,000 mile review too. Quick cap check. Not bad. A gold steel chain. No more friggin' tightening my chain. I don't know what the reason was, but my chain kept getting loose, and like a dummy, instead of looking for the problem of why it was getting loose, I just kept tightening it, and then when we went to take the back tire off and take the chain off, because you know, we were tired of loosening it, so we were gonna get a new chain, and you know, I forgot to bring it with me. I was gonna bring it with me. You should see my front sprocket. My front sprocket has like 1 tooth left on it. It's crazy. All the teeth have been just stripped off of it. It's amazing. I was didn't get stranded somewhere. The next new upgrade, the fresh set of meat, the kENDa 440s DualSport tire, like I was talking about in my best DualSport tire video. Here they are. That's what they look like brand new when they're not completely chicken stripped from riding on the roads. So that's, you know, that's the new modifications here to my CRF250. We'll see how the steel chain holds up. I don't. If I break the steel chain, I better just quit. All right, Honda CRF250L. 16,000 mile review. I'd say I'm almost approaching midlife. I hate to say it, I love this bike. But let's go over what I've had to do to it in the 16,000 miles that I've ridden it. I've changed the oil 8 times. I changed them every 2,000 miles. It says change it every 3. Over the winter, I had to have the front forks resealed and refilled. They pretty much came from the factory leaking on the 2013 model, because when I bought this thing, it had barely 5,000 miles on it, and it was very lightly ridden. So the front fork should not have been leaking already, but whatever. Replaced the turn signal. Would have had to replace it 3 times, but we just kind of glued the old one back together each time and zip tied it on there. I've taken it through a river. I've tried to drown it. I've tried to wheelie it to death. I mean, I've just ridden the crap out of this thing, man. And it's just, it's Honda, man. It's reliable. Bottom line, I guess, is it's a Honda. It's funny that I do these reviews. I guess the best, you know, you want to know about this bike, just watch my channel a little bit. Obviously I had to get a new sprocket. All the teeth were stripped off of mine. If I had to guess, I would say it was from probably my chain being tightened so many times, and yeah, so I kind of screwed that up. You might be able to get more out of your stock sprockets. But overall, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I mean, this thing is a wheelie machine. Hey YouTube, I know that was probably a really crappy video, but I just kind of wanted to get an update video out there, even though this will probably be uploaded on Friday. Today's Thursday. Sunday is the big red, white, and blue ride for freedom. So that's going to be awesome. That's going to be a big ride out. It's going to be good. My buddy who planned it is worried, but he shouldn't have no fear, because I think it's going to be great. Anyways, thanks for watching, YouTube. If you like my channel, you like these videos, drop me a subscribe, and YouTube might let you know when I upload a new video, or they might not. They don't always do that. Alright, YouTube, like, share, subscribe, and until next time.